Hi guys, so tonight I'm going to teach you how to make this Krusteaz wild blueberry muffin mix, vegan. So I bought this at Walmart and it's about $2.35 I guess a box. And there's the ounces right there. And on the back it tells you what you need. But those ingredients, the eggs aren't vegan and we don't use oil in our house, so this is how I'm going to do it. Now I preheated my oven to 400 and I got my cupcake pans ready, and I'm going to use one of these apple sauces for the oil. You see it's 4 ounce, and I'm going to use this. It's called Energy Egg Replacer. This you can use in baking to replace your eggs, and there it's vegan. So that's all you need, 2 ingredients, and let's get started. Okay, so when I opened the box, here's what we got. We got the mix and we got this can. This is my blueberries. So what you're supposed to do is open this can, and then you're going to go ahead and drain this in some cold water. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we're just going to go ahead and drain this in some cold water. Give them a good rinsing. And next we're going to go ahead and make our egg and throw it in there. Okay, so you're going to need 3 teaspoons of this Energy Egg Replacer. You can find these at most health food stores, and these boxes aren't very expensive. They're about $4 or $5. Okay, so next thing, after the 3 teaspoons, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of warm water in there. You're just going to take a fork and just mix it. These muffins are good for, say, like the morning of Christmas, right? I remember way back when my grandparents used to come over and us kids were little, my mom would whip up some blueberry muffins or have some donuts there, waiting for our grandparents to come over and see what we were going to have for Christmas, when we open our gifts. So this is good if you want to have a little breakfast brunch on Christmas morning. Okay, so now you're going to want to get yourself a big mixing bowl, and you're just going to go ahead and pour in your mix into your bowl. This is pretty easy. 3 ingredients, right? Of course, you could make homemade if you wanted, but most people don't have time for that, not around the holidays. And then we're going to just throw in our blueberries. We're going to throw in our eggs. And we're going to go ahead and throw in our applesauce. And we're just going to go ahead and mix this till everything gets wet. Okay, I almost forgot this 2/3 cup of water. And now it'll get wet. So just keep stirring this, gently until everything gets incorporated. Okay, now we're all mixed up, and I have one of these here little cookie scoops. They make really nice cookies. But you can find these at Walmart or, on Amazon, anywhere. They have baking supplies. And then you can, make a nice scoop out of them. And this will show you how nice it goes right in. And just keep filling up your tray. And then if you have extra, you can fill them up full. If you don't have one of these scoops, you can use a spoon. But I suggest getting one of these because they go fast. There we go. Stay in there. he like to fall out. I like to flip my pans as I'm working, so I don't have to reach over all those. So yeah, this is a good treat for the holidays, or any time. But since I'm trying to do all holiday ideas for the whole month of December, I'm going to try. I think this is perfect. Who doesn't love sweets, right? This is the time to gain weight, and then New Year's Day you can stop. You can set your goal to lose the weight you put on over the holidays, or you could just exercise a little more during the holidays. Okay, see, now I filled them up. Now I'm going to go back over. I still have quite a lot of mix left, and then I'll fill the cups up. Boy, this smells good. It really does smell good. I often thought of adding blueberries to here, but I never did, because you see these blueberries are little, and well, the ones I get from the store, they're pretty big, so I don't think it would go. Okay, one more flip here. I'm getting to the bottom of my bowl, and I got about 4 more cups to do there, if I can. So let me know how you all are in the comments, and if you like these type of videos, or do you like the kind that I have just music in and no talking? Everybody likes different things. Some people even like the videos where there's only the sounds of the kitchen, so it's like an ASMR video. I've done those in the past. Okay, so I'll take a little out of this guy, because he looks pretty full. I'll put him in this one. So that's what you do, just kind of borrow from one if one looks a little fuller, just to kind of even them out a little bit. But, you know, do the best you can. I don't think anybody's going to care. They're just going to be there for the goodies anyhow. But you'll figure it out. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and bake these on 400 degrees for 18 to 22 minutes. Hey guys, looks like we're done. So, let's go check the oven out. Woo! Look at that steam, would ya? Those look good. Let's pull it out and see what it's like. Okay, so I got my handy dandy toothpick, and this has been in 22 minutes. Let's put a toothpick in the middle. Yeah, they're coming out clean. See that? Yep, they're ready. So now we gotta just let them cool, and then I can show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay guys, now it's been about 15-20 minutes, and it's cool enough. Now we're gonna slice one of these just so you see what it looks like. Okay, so I got it sliced. So here's what it looks like. Doesn't that look good? Blueberries are throughout. I can tell you they're delicious, and they're soft. See, they're soft and spongy. Your guests will love these, and they don't have to even know that they're Krusteaz or vegan for that matter. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, don't forget to love yourself and love others around you. Let's make this season great. Take care. Bye-bye.